Today alone, Kevin Taylor posted, "The law is the law." After that, he posted, in quote, "If you be man, come Ghana, LOL." And then he posted this one. He said, "Available in all major retail shops in Edum, Kumasi." And this is the NPP bleeding kit for emergency use only. Just say, according to Kevin Taylor,
the NPP people are bleeding.
Kevin Taylor is trending right now because they were at the Supreme Court. A bench warrant was issued on Kevin Taylor 2020 in January 2020. People are asking, what did Kevin Taylor do before this bench warrant was issued? Who issued it? Why? What's happening? And right now, what has happened in court? I have the full gist for you.
I'm the Headless YouTuber. This Headless Reactions. Yanko!
What's up, guys? You guys are here watching the Headless YouTuber. Make sure you don't move. Stay right here. Now,
so on Thursday, 16th January 2020, Justice Eric Kyei Baffour issued a bench warrant on Kevin Taylor that anytime he steps foot in Ghana, they should arrest him. Why did he do that? Now, around that 2020 time, there was this NCA case that was going on, and 5 people were in court because they were suspected to have embezzled $4 million. Later, some of them were acquitted and discharged. However, some people were sentenced. Mr. Eric Kyei, a former board chairman of NCA, was sentenced to 6 years in prison. Mr. William Tevier was sentenced to 5 years in prison. He was the former Director General of the NCA. And also, Alhaji Osman was sentenced to 5 years in prison. He was the Deputy National Security Coordinator. All because some $4 million embezzlement case that happened in 2020. Now, while the case was going on, that time they had not even passed judgment. While the case was going on, Kevin Taylor made a video talking about the case. And according to Kevin Taylor, this man, Justice Eric Kyei Baffour, was trying to get to the Supreme Court, and he was trying to be a Supreme Court judge. And because of that, he was kind of doing things to please the government and to please Nanado. So certain things that maybe if there's a case that the government wants some kind of sentencing, then he will do the sentencing. So in essence, Kevin Taylor was trying to say that this man has been compromised, so he shouldn't even be on this particular case.
I've said, I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Kyei Baffour has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself. This is not a warning, but a serious caution.
After that, he did other videos exposing this man, Justice Eric Kyei Baffour, trying to say that he is so ambitious, so he's sentencing people. Even Mr. Eugene Baffour-Boni, whose case that the man is on, he has sentenced the man's junior brother before. So there's some kind of conflict of interest there. And also, this man is an appeal court judge. But because of this case, they push him to go and be a high court judge so that he will preside over this case. And he even came to expose his girlfriend. Now, they are doing Now, the case, Ankasano, the final judgment of the case was on 12th May 2020. However, in January, while the case was ongoing and Kevin Taylor was saying all those things online, the judge issued a bench warrant on 16th January because he said that Kevin Taylor's utterances are scandalous and direct attack on the judiciary intended to incite public disaffection towards the court. So he sent this bench warrant ordering the Ghana Police Service, ordering National Security, and also the National Investigation Bureau. That time it was NIB. He told them that anytime Kevin Taylor steps foot in Ghana, Kune gripping. Anytime he steps foot in Ghana, Kune. Now remember, this bench warrant that was issued in 2020, it's supposed to remain in force until Kevin Taylor is caught or until he dies. Which means next 50 years, if Kevin Taylor is an old man crying, he comes to Ghana, he needs to be arrested. That's the bench warrant that was in 2020. Now, so many years now, they've been teasing Kevin Taylor by saying, oh, Kevin Taylor, he can't come to Ghana. He can't come to Ghana. The way people are enjoying Cowbell coffee, Kevin Taylor can't come to Ghana and come and enjoy Cowbell coffee. People have been dragging Kevin Taylor that this promotion that is going on and people can win Netflix subscription and PS5, and they can go to a trip to Zanzibar or even to South Africa, cash prizes and all this Suzuki Jimny SUV and stuff. No, Kevin Taylor can't come to Ghana and come and drink Cowbell coffee and win some of these prizes. So they've been teasing Kevin Taylor all these years that he can't come and enjoy these things. I'm sure you've seen Oketiche FIFA even said it before that. Yeah. Now, in case you don't know, this Cowbell promotion that's going on, it will end on 15th September. So from now till 15th September, if you get your Cowbell coffee and you enjoy it, there's a code inside. Text it to *713*27#, or you can scan this QR code at the back over here and then put your details inside. 10 sachets equal to 1 entry. So you can be enjoying your Cowbell coffee, save the sachets, get the code, and then enter this promotion to win something lovely from Cowbell. Now, this is FDA approved, and of course, terms and conditions apply. Now, when this bench warrant, even when the news went public, Kevin Taylor did another video addressing this bench warrant issue, insulting the man again, and throwing more oja.
And then I know, sorry, Kevin Taylor warranted that, so it was Kyei Baffour. Madam Tokonu wanted to move Kyei Baffour to the Supreme Court. Court issues warrant for arrest of Kelvin Taylor, Kevin. All because the High Court in Accra has issued a warrant for the arrest of social commentator Kelvin Taylor. Justice Eric Kyei Baffour, who issued the warrant, said it was based on a vivid video in which Mr. Taylor reportedly made extremely scandalous and contemptuous statement against the court and the whole judicial administration of the country. Or say mekasetia court no, mekasetia the judiciary into a send warrant. Yamechimi fi America to jail or Ghana. This was the same judge, Madam Tokonu, in her final days wanted to move to what? The Supreme Court. And internet NPP people were so excited. Oh, Kevin Taylor, Kyei Baffour has put Kevin Taylor a warrant on Kevin Taylor. This guy. I came to show Kyei Baffour and his girlfriend's picture on my show. A young girl that he was sleeping with. If you don't know Kyei Baffour, let me show you the face of Kyei Baffour. I have his picture, him and his girlfriend, the Legon girl, and some other girls. I have some other pictures. This Judge Kyei Baffour. He said he sent a warrant after me. All because he was working his way to the Supreme Court. But you see, you don't basically destroy people's lives all because you have an ambition. There's nothing wrong you having an ambition, but you need to have the right ambition. You need to have the right ambition. And this is what we have been talking about. But I know sometimes, so in the past, something was created in the heads of Ghanaians. Don't speak about the judiciary. When a judge sits in court, whatever the judge does, you don't have to even question the judge. So some bad judges, and I'm not saying Kyei Baffour is a bad judge, I'm letting you understand, some judges took advantage of that and suppressed the people.
Now, on July 4, just this past July 4, Kevin Taylor came to post his social media, his Facebook people. They came to post that our CEO, Kevin Taylor, is set to challenge a 2020 bench warrant issued against him by Kyei Baffour in the Supreme Court. Details coming soon. That was what was posted on Facebook. Now, after that, another document came out where his application that he has applied that they should scrap the bench warrant so that his name will be free. This application was signed and delivered on 2nd July. And according to the thing, you have to be present to come and swear affidavit, to come and sign and all that. You have to be present. So that means Kevin Taylor was present in Ghana to do that. And the bench warrant states that once you get to Ghana, immigration people will have to call or notify the people because your name has to be in the system. As soon as they scan your passport and check your passport, they have to know that there's a bench warrant on your head. So then now they have to call, the immigration people have to call the Ghana police or the BNI or the NIB or the national security people to come and arrest you. So people were asking that, how did Kevin Taylor get to Ghana? Even though Oketiche FIFA was angry about it, that Kevin Taylor is in Ghana and these people are not arresting him. He is living at where President Mahama was living previously when he was vice president and stuff. Just say, okay, the chief was even angry.
Now, young country arrest warrant in Justice Kyei Baffour issued in 2020. If you feel say our rights or fundamental human right has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitution under Article 33, it says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in the year. Have a young warrior there, Daddy. Justice Kyei Baffour issue arrest warrant. You read the arrest warrant, no? Now you read the wording of the arrest warrant. Now you say arrest warrant is in such a way say the court in the person who can say wo ya frasa bra na wo madia police monchino efamra. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It ya hwa kwan ya be fa so a national security for be bo akwa we hu bai. No mo na ko Supreme Court to say omo kwa ma yi sa arrest warrant for arrested. If it's a national security, police, by the time a guy will be free to our hotel, me no can maybe self ye be a job, we in the service. No see a fan channel. Former vice president Fio, I want to boy Yakotra, under heavy security. What kind of foolishness? Baby, I can tell Atini. Baby, I'm a president. I want to ask second. It's more can tell abuse or to baby a former president of Mama, we in the service. No see a fan channel. Under heavy national security. Now your mama name say BB channel. Now kwasi adi we was so. Jeremy Kanyi. Na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a. Say arrest warrant is still effective wa. Akwa we be free ni fie ho. Akopie eye court wo Supreme Court wo on the 22nd. Yen arrest no. If say o free sa fie ho, eko court wo. Even see you arrested, the arrest warrant to so you don't no fly a list so. So the very moment our Orlando airport immigration is supposed to alert the police. National security is to alert. Na ye hwa kon on be fa so de na copy Supreme Court. That means all of you are in contempt of the court.
Precisely so. Tell them, expose.
Nah, I think I need somebody in the studio to also be saying expose them, tell them, call, headless, you're funny, tell them. I need somebody in the studio, you know. Yeah. Now, today, 22nd July, they went to the Supreme Court. Kevin Taylor got there, walking freely without handcuffs. He was not arrested. Questions are being asked. How come somebody with a bench warrant on his head there? He is supposed to be arrested. The appeal he's going to do, crying, he's supposed to go there arrested. But no. Now, according to Kevin Taylor's application, he stated 3 points or 3 reasons why he thinks this bench warrant should be scrapped. The first one, he said the High Court acted in breach of the law of natural justice, as in the court issued a warrant or a bench warrant on him before they even could hear his case, as in they were supposed to invite him for him to come and explain himself and things before the bench warrant is even issued for his arrest. They didn't invite him first before the bench warrant was issued for his arrest. So that one is mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, the High Court warrant was not made in accordance with any procedure sanctioned by law. Mistake number 3, the High Court ordered for him to be arrested even before giving him the chance to be heard, as in there was no application out there, there was no warrant out there inviting him to come and explain himself before another one would go for his arrest. That means they should have first sent out an invitation inviting him to come to the court or summoning him to court. Before that, then if he doesn't come, then the warrant will follow. What they are saying. So these are the reasons he stated. And the judges listened to all these things and then they said, okay, let's vote. 4 people said, yay, scrap it. 1 person said no. But majority carries the vote. So right now the bench warrant is scrapped. Kevin Taylor is a free man.
Cancel. Is it Taylor? Okay. Is it Taylor anywhere for Ghanaians? I'll go. I'll go here. Yes. Let's go.
They came out of court. Then that's where he started tweeting these things. You know that the law is the law. Right now, they're
NPP people, you are dead.
right now the NPP people are dead. Share your views in the comment section. Some people are saying there was some kind of injustice right there because the person should have been arrested before they went to court. Some people too are saying. Share your views in the comment section.
And no. Watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless, and those who were teasing him that you can't come to Ghana, no, maybe right now they have to find other ways of teasing him because this one he has cancelled it. And watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. Yeah, then. Yapon.